Hey, good morning, Quentin. This is Mike Fortner, just looking over your discussion post here. This is interesting, and it requires a little bit of thought on my part, at least. Yeah, when the bat hits the ball, we, you're correct in the initial response is that there's a force pair there of the ball on the bat and the bat on the ball. And you're also right that since nobody's holding the ball, it flies away afterwards. What would happen, though, if the bat cracked? The ball would probably still fly away. The bat would only crack if you broke the bat if its structural strength, that's not a good word, but if its strength was unable to sustain the reaction force of the ball on the bat. So the downstream the response of the bat is different than the force pair. I just thought I'd point that out. I think you know that. Um, and I'm thinking about the reverberation of the bat on the ball. That's also a response because that would depend. Like I don't think you ever hear a wooden bat ping like an aluminum bat does in college ball. So anyway, it was just interesting. I wanted to comment on it. Good work on that.